Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Greetings from Africa. You are welcome to the Easy More Show. May Amadioha bless you people. Wakanda forever. Wakanda is ruler. Hey, Iguala Iguala. If we no get anything, wait till we gain. My brother, wait till we gain. Oh, I don't know, nothing that we gain. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bia, you are welcome to the Easy More Show. As you can see, Ishimo Amadia is not here with me. Just was it not yesterday? I just came back to the shrine. Pew! They have thief Ishimo and Amadia. This country is terrible. Security, Zelo, they cannot. It's not like Ishimo cannot secure himself, but in this country, you know, you need extra protection. Hi! That is how I wash my clothes. I hang it on top of the hanger. Of course, it's on top hanger. I will hang it. That I want to remove it. Pia, they have thief my clothes. Look at me now. Shelter. Sorry. Clothing I don't have. But I say no. The show must go on. No, show will go on. It is we that have the real power. It's not Ishima and Amadia are just assisting, but they must return it. If they not return it, I want Nyasholunga. They will hear. Yeah, let us move to today's news because I will not allow my anger to affect the news at all. Let us move. But Bia, if you Omarisha, thunder will fire you if I don't see that Indomie. Thunder will fire you. And those people say, my thunder is fake. It does not fire. Chelegodonu, 25th December, you will see. If it does not strike you, call me Ezemo. Let's move to the news because Bia, no Ishimo, no Amadia, no incantation. Show me the news because
President Buhari increases police salary.
But before I say anything, Bobo, it will come. Choose the thunder that is going to come and fire you. But if it is left to me, the four of them will fire you at once. What rubbish! You increase police salary. Have you paid the minimum is it maximum or minimum wage itself? Have you paid it? It's to increase police salary. Where are they going to bring the money to increase for this increment of the salary? Because you have already passed the budget for 2019, Abi. So where are you going to bring the money? No problem. As usual, you will not fulfill your promise. You went to palace. So you went there. You now said, oh, I will bring the idea of increment of salary for police officer that I will not fulfill. Bobo, I've told you. Majestically, if you know you don't want thunder to strike you, choose the thunder that will strike you. Because our man, Shebi, you are increasing their salary. You are increasing their salary. Where were they when the thief Amadio Nishimo? Where were they? That's my growth. You need to decrease their salary. They are not doing their work. That is how one day that Ralph Mayor was driving. All these useless police, they now overtake him. Say, Bia, you look like a Yahoo boy. He said, Bia, I am not Yahoo. He was even afraid. Ralph Mayor was shaking. I said, He called me on phone. I said, And I use Ishimo and Amadia to do concussion. Bia, it's like they corrected him light before they allow him to go. But it is my Ishimo and Amadia power that reduced the plight. They wanted to collect 50,000 from his hand and not do my juju, pure, like the useless way Buhari used to walk up and down. They now corrected 49,000 on the lead naira. It worked. But I don't have people like here. Please, Bobo, police officer does not need inclement. They don't need it. They need the clement. Or better still, let them join civilian. Let us know it is we. Because of that black uniform. It's not all of them, don't get me wrong. But still, MC waiting this mama is a police officer. That means they have increased their salary. It is even only they pay you. You will wait there and die. That will just be correcting the one that you are correcting, JJ. Nothing that is good come from Bali. Yeah, let us move to another news. Oh, our alarm. Oh, show me the news.
Nigeria High Commission UK sacks over 50 staff.
Hi! Now, wow. So, Buhari's administration of unemployment rate has gone to Obodo. Hey! Failure have traveled out. Hey! Now, wow. Hey! Boo. But it's good for them, Sha. Because all those people, they are thieves. Like Buhari. Or like Atiku. They are thieves. All of them. Onyoshi. All of them. All of them are Oyebelebe. If you say I don't know how to speak Igbo, Thunder will slap you. In fact, unemployment meet you there. I don't know. Why would the Nigerians? You went to Obodo Yibo. You are thieving there. Well, you don't want it from the Oyibo people. It's the Nigerians you want to thief from. Why are people like this? It's like, I don't know. It's like as we are now. Every Nigerian should just go their way. Let Nigeria not be seeing Nigeria again. If you say you are in Nigeria, no, I cannot do business with you because it's like it's not good because all this bad thing now is reminding me of my dear Ishimo and Amadioha because it is the same Nigeria. It is Nigerians that if it's now. I be it is South African people. It is not them. Ghana. But well, it is good because the Nigerian High Commission, whatever their stupid name is, over there, they used to extort money from Nigerians that want to correct passports. Even the ones that are citizens, they want to come and renew passports. Bam! They correct money. They will tell them, oh yeah, Bia, like this my lowlands that Enagbo. Let me hold on, let me divert this more. Enagbo. I am not seeing your hard work again. Now what is happening? Abi, unemployment has made you too. It is not your portion, my Peking. It's not your portion. You are a good son. The only good son that I have. That I born through your playlist. Yeah, I said it. It is good. Because they will tell them, remove your list wash. I want to collect a passport. Which one correct? Which one to consign my list wash? Hi! It's good. It's good for them. I just pray that they can, that same unemployment can jump Buhari, let him be unemployed too, and go back to Daula. But it's just that we have learned out of patience. We cannot wait till 2019. It's like you should go back. No. No problem. This one is a good news to the world that they sack them. I don't know if they can sack all the Oyibo that used to give us legit beer in Nigeria. Let them try. Maybe sack like 2 tilly. Let them know that legit how they pay for body. And the beauty part, if we sack them here in Nigeria, if they want to travel out, let us go give them legit. That you are not allowed to travel out of Nigeria. Stay here and die in our suffer. That Buhari has blood through the help of those useless people. Hi, Shima. Let us move to the other news. It's God in me. Show me the news.
Commotion as Anambra man attempts to bury carved wood in place of his body.
It's like this one is not a Robin Hood. It's a Robin Hood. Now, wow, you have gone to use the body to do one or two things to put things together for Christmas. It is my colleague that would have done the whole hand dirty work. Because me, I'm a Christian. I don't do bad juju. If juju that can maybe juju that will make Buhari run down, I can do that one. It's not bad. It's a good one. People have mind though. How can you have mind to construct your own dead body brother? To Paco for your wood. Hey! And I thought we have seen it all. It's like, I don't know. Let us do quick and remove Buhari. Since he came to power like this, bam. Bad button. It's like, hey, spirit of bad button is just wavering around the Benumida column, triangle all over Nigeria. Hi! It is where bad thing will not come to my mind. Let us move to another news. I don't have much to say. I'm still living the Ross. But we'll be found of Eshimo and Amadioha. No problem. Chai! Show me the news.
This is shameful that the phrase reacts to the dedication of world's largest church auditorium in Abuja.
That the fleece is correct. No, we know it does not have work again. It's like it's losing its fast on the radio show that is running. We know. But this one that he said, it makes sense. But if you go over the other, all over the world, they have big things. Like you will go to another world, they have the biggest factory. You will go to another world, they have that cheap retail supermarket in Obodo Yibo. That one too is good. If you go to let me think. My brain is cracking. If you go to China, they have the largest infection. But here, come here. Religious people. If you talk one thing, boom, that is how some people say they are Jews. Religion everywhere. What is your problem? The same religion is just to rob your neighbor as yourself. Do good, and do good back will come to you. I mean, what you do? Hands now running, shaking. No, it's not that one. But just be doing good. Live your life good, because karma is still alive. I don't know where karma is when it comes to Nigeria or Nigerians, especially Atiku, Sanwo-Olu, Tinubu, Obasanjo. Oh, those four ugly. Oh, no, there's the uglier one. Oshomore. Karma has already dealt with his face. Maybe that's why. But I don't understand. We are the most religious people. Africa. That is how you will see Bushiri there. You will see TB Joshua there. You will see Jeremiah. Another useless one. All of them. But nothing good is happening. All the prayer you people are praying, where is it going to? Is it the one that is causing rain to fall? Yeah, that the fleece has a point here. We know it does not have sense, but this one, there is a point there. That the fleece, I give you thumbs up. You have a point. Because if you look at it now, it is money from poor people that they used to build the church. That is when you will now go to church now. You will say, I want to enter church. They will say, Bia, yes. Who are you looking for? Do I have to look for somebody before I can come to church to play? If you say, I will mention one big church. You cannot enter anyhow. Hands on the lock. Go there, enter now. There will be Mopo is there. Even me with my juju, I can enter. But I choose not to enter to avoid cocoa and bruises on somebody's face. I don't know if it's their face or my face, but to avoid it. I'm not saying it's a bad guy cathedral. Don't get me long. If you like, get it long or light. It's your problem. Paris. This country, it tire us. We play. We don't play. We play and fast. Still, nothing. Suffer. That is how you will go on Facebook. This one killing wife. This one killing husband. And Bia, have you noticed how those caring of husband and wife thing is only in the East it used to happen? I am just saying, you know, maybe it is December. What I would say, if you are in the East, Bia, do curfew for yourself. 7 o'clock, you don't dey for house. Even na for house they happen. Na she na husband they kill wife, and wife they kill husband. Hi, it is well in this country. It is well. But let us be realistic. The player we are supposed to be playing is the bad rock that came with Buhari's administration. It's too much. The bad rock was there in Jonathan's time. It was controllable. The bad rock was there in that monkey in Kwe. It was controllable. But Bobo, it came with the bad rock came with full force. We don't need church. Build school. Build hospital. Build good road. Build things that will help there. Build industrial company that will employ people. Church now, how many people we employ? Security. I mean, you they employ pastor because as you see me so, and I have been ordained by the Pope John. It's John Joshua. He ordained me to be a minister. No problem. Let us continue with our religion. God will see us through, especially me. Thank you. Let's go to another news. Show me the news.
I did not choose my father. Abacha's daughter Kimso replies strong.
You did not choose your papa, but you choose to chop the money acquire. These people are funny. You are light to don't get me long. If you like, get it long or light. You did not choose your papa. The money the useless papa thief, may his perfect soul rest in pieces. Sorry, in peace. The money were in roots that you chop, you choose to chop inside. And the thing that is actually very, very angry in me. All these people, don't you do Kokokwe, what is that one name? His daughter is working for APC. One other one, Atiku, his own Pekin too, is working for APC. And their papa is running against his. I don't understand. All these people, they are all one. They are using us to play tumbo like Kiche tumbo. I don't understand. Let us come back to Abacha because yes, what is used to vex me in these people that fine, you did not choose your papa, but you should not choose to chop the money. What if you now angling me? You will not come. All these rich people and their rich people picking, they will not come be doing motivational speaker. Did you suffer anything? You tell me work hard. Which hard did you work? Don't tell me. You just go that they need like 100 million to start a business. Boom! They have thief money and give to you. You not come now, you not choose your papa. Fine. I did not say you choose your papa. We know. I am respecting the dead of your papa. I'm respecting him. I have said it before. May his perfect soul rest in pieces. Sorry, in peace. Let him continue to eat rotten apple. Sorry, be eating poisonous apple wherever he is. It's not wherever he is because we know he's down there. Let him be eating the apple and be continuing like that. It's good for him. But it's good, sir. We know. But me, if it's left to me, I will like to choose my papa. Because you know, one thing. Like now, for no day where we day. No problem. Maybe by now, we too will start doing giveaway or motivational quotes. It's good, sir. No problem. Yeah, let us move to another news. We don't have much time. I don't want to waste most of your time. But because 1 year Abacha. 1 year. 1 year. Thank you. Hey, Akanchawa. Hey, Akanchawa. Agezu Gebi.
Buhari breaks silence on Boko Haram's massacre of Nigerian soldiers.
Don't talk. Don't talk. Keep quiet here. Let them be killing everybody, all the soldiers there. because you don't know that all those people are somebody's pikin, or somebody's papa, or somebody's husband. Hi, Buhari, they kill them. Now you even know. It's now that you know that you will wear army clothes, and even sure that army clothes as it is there is stone inside his pocket. Because if you believe blow, it will blow you away. Look at that monkey. That monkey was playing badminton. That monkey is stronger than you times 5. Did I say times 50? No, he's a good man. But I am sure some people will still vote for Obasanjo again. It's bad in a good way. Maybe it's good in a bad way. It's the two. But you are bad in every way. Even in good self, you are terribly bad. There's not good, sorry. It's long. You are just bad. At your best, you are bad. At your good, you are bad. At your better, you are just bad. Full bad luck, confirm. You are the opposite of good luck, Jonathan. Even though that one has small bad luck following him. Now he has a light book. That is how you see, Jonathan has a light book now. They have a rush book. Obasanjo, he became president. He liked the watch. This one now became president. He liked the my transition. Something transportation, sha. I don't know. Trans something. Now, Buhari, Buhari is president now. If he resign, he will write book, Abi. I don't know. It's your book that Buhari will write is 1,000 ways to be a failure as a president. But because I don't know. You people send these people to go and fight the people that you sponsor. And you not give them weapon. They not kill them pure like a fowl. You did not talk since it's now you want to talk. And I'm not yelling that army is going to sue anybody that the broadcast that shared the video. You people are stupid. Who do you want to sue? Sue call. Sue where the knee. I mean sue ya. Rubbish. Let the world know what you people, rubbish government you are doing. Killing people, innocent people. Person pikin, person wife, person husband. I am not joking here. This one, I'm very serious here. There is not atom of joke inside. Because it is annoying. If it is back then, that is why I like back then in the rural area. When Peking day of king, they will say your Peking will join the army. Let your useless Peking that is driving power bike up and down, a bicycle, that accident, we are waiting for accident to catch him again. Let him go and join the army. Put him in war front. In fact, I will let them put him inside tank. Put him inside the war front and give the same people that used to sponsor Boko Haram. Give Boko Haram better weapon that penetrate. See how the gun they penetrate armored motor. Hi. Bia, Bali, let your Peking join army. Because this one you say you want to, you are talking about it no concern my papa, it no concern my great papa, it will not concern me as a papa. So please, let your son go and fight war. Then you will know how it feels. Because I know that one sharp 2 minutes, boom, they don't care. I am going to say it. Buhari, we not like you. You have done things that is you don't know if the mama, wife, and children of these soldiers that died, if they don't swear for you, say for lady. And if this way we catch you, we catch your Peking. Just tell your Peking not to light that power back again. Because as he climb, even without speeding, boom, he will die. Sorry, he will have accident. And before you fly him to Obodo Yibo, Ona, I am not playing that for you. I just want you to feel what these people of the disease have felt. I'm blunt too. I'm blunt. I'm very blunt. Because I have said my own. And now I want to use the opportunity now. Now let us move to the do you know fact. Today's do you know fact is did you know that Ezemo Moi apologize to the Biafran people, not because I am afraid of them, but because somebody wrote me and said I am hurting some people's feelings. That is why I've apologized. Because you know me. I know they fear anybody. I know my Otanku Kambu. Otenku. Don't look at my age. I was very, very strong. More than that monkey that was praying by the meeting. Let us move to advice section. I don't know if this one is advice or it is words of wisdom. But I don't know why people cannot let go of the past. People that I am owing money, and especially Biafran people.
Bia Ezemo.
Again.
Bia, I've come to collect the money you are owing me. Ezemo, for you borrowed this money for the past 3 months that you are going to pay me back. Ezemo, 3,000 naira for 3 months. I did not even put any interest. Now I'm owing money where I drink Tombo. They did not allow me drink.
Shebi, I gave you an seed the other day. Is that one? See, this is what I was saying before you came here.
Ezemo, no. I overheard you talking about Biafra. Because those people, you leave them alone. Leave Biafra people. They are the core Igbos. Leave them because they don't forgive. Because you now, the last time I spoke something, I was drinking my Tombo. Thunder strike close to me. I'm beginning to suspect that those people, they are after somebody. But that is why you need to leave their matter.
I have left them. I'm just saying that let's all let go of the past. Odugu have died. Oh no, let us just move on.
Ezemo, you are wrong in that aspect. You cannot say they should move on. Because the way this Nama Fulani people, they are handling this country. Even me, I support Biafra. Let Biafra go. Let Oduduwa go. Let everybody go their way. Let
Nah, don't come and infect me.
Let's see how
I don't have money for
let's see how the Fulani people will eat and buy their own cow. Ezemo. Come.
No problem. If they don't want to move on, let them move off. My problem now. Let me go and look for Otif.
Ezemo. Where is your regalia and your
That is what I am saying. And they thief it, they store it.
As I was coming now, I saw Mazugona's son with your regalia and
hey! Hello.
Yes, now Mazugona, the one that is a farmer that farms near that plot of land near Umunna River.
In Anambra. Yeah. This is what take me to their house.
But Ezemo, you need to give me my money first before we go.
You
see that boy? I'm suspecting it's that boy that stole my trouser.
Don't worry. You know that is not your trouser is not rust. You put it when you were coming.
Oh yes, I must have put it as
you put it. Don't take me to the house. Because hey, I said it.
You need to deal with that boy because him and his father, they are menaces in this community.
If they don't want to move on, let them move off. Let me go and carry my Ishima.